how to update PHP version in Hostgator cPanel, PHP version Hostgator tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to update PHP version in Hostgator cPanel step by step. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we're always posting new hosting tutorial videos. Let's get started in the PHP version Hostgator cPanel tutorial. To start off, you want to pull up the Hostgator cPanel login page that you use to log into your Hostgator account. Once you enter your credentials and log in, you'll be in the Hostgator cPanel. Scroll down to the software section. You will find this section towards the bottom of the page. You will see PHP Selector. Click this. You will now see towards the top where it says the PHP file extension will be processed by, and then it shows the PHP version you are currently using. Click this and it'll bring up PHP versions that you can choose from. Select the PHP version that you would like and click the Update button. You have successfully changed and updated your PHP version in the Hostgator cPanel. That is my how to update PHP version in Hostgator cPanel tutorial video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.